Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We finished with this problem. Now we'll continue. Now we need to find the value of C so that Y is a solution. As he told me, Y is a solution. So I should satisfy this. And also I need the initial condition to find the C. So substitute, I have what? 1 equal tan of C. What will be C? C will be pi over 4 plus n pi. Okay. So C, if n equals 0, C is pi over 4. Is it there? No. If n equal minus 1, C is what? Pi over 4 minus 3 pi over 4, which is not there. If n equal 1, C will be 5 pi over 4, which is there. So this will be the correct. The rest, they are not here. This one correct, wrong. All of these are wrong. So you have infinitely many values of C, but which was the right one? One of them. Find a value of C. One value of C. You have infinitely many C's. Okay. Find the order of the differential equation. خلاص. This is 3. And this is not 8. This will be 1. So to find the order, we need the highest derivative. The highest derivative is what? 3. So this will be 3. Verify that the one parameter family of functions satisfy this equation. So just verify. 1 plus c over x. Let me rewrite it. And this is the equation. dy by dx equal 1 minus over 2x. What to do? Right side equal to left side. Left-hand side will be what? Will be I prime. Derivative of this, I can rewrite it as this one. Minus half to the power half. So that will be half. 1 plus cx to the power minus half. That's wrong. C over x times derivative of this, which is 0 times minus c over x squared. This is left-hand side. Okay, let me do right-hand side. Right-hand side is what? Minus 1 over 2x, y minus 1 over y. And that is what? Minus 1 over 2x, y. Maybe if I write it as a power, it will be easier since this is in terms of powers. The power half minus 1 over cx to the power minus half. Now, I will take here 1 plus cx to the power minus half. What is the remaining? I have 1 plus c over x. Okay, minus 1. Okay, so this is cancelled. So I have what? Minus c over 2x squared times 1 plus cx to the power minus half, which is the same as this one. This is minus c over 2x squared, 1 plus c over 1 over x to the power minus half. So left-hand side equal right-hand side. So y is a solution of the differential equation. Okay. Verify this, the function. So I have function y equal 3 minus x plus ax plus x over 2 sine hyperbolic. Okay, for sure we remember sine hyperbolic. Okay, let us see what will happen. I want the left-hand side, the left-hand side equal right-hand side. Left-hand side is what? Second derivative minus y. Okay, so I need to find the first derivative. That will be what? Minus 3 minus x plus e to the power x. Here I have a product rule. So this is plus half sine hyperbolic. Okay. Plus x over 2 cosine hyperbolic. We'll see later. Do we need to do some calculation or not? Okay. I mean, using the formulas for sine hyperbolic. We'll see what will happen later. Y double prime will be what? 3e minus x, okay, plus e to the power x, okay, plus half cosine hyperbolic, okay, plus, this is product rule, I have what? Half cosine hyperbolic plus x over 2 sine hyperbolic. So left-hand side will be what? Y double prime, let me rewrite it. 3e minus x plus e to the power x, half plus half, that will make it cosine hyperbolic x, plus x over 2 sine hyperbolic x. This is only y double prime, minus y. That will be minus all of this. Okay, this is cancelled. This is cancelled. This is cancelled. I'm getting what? Cosine hyperbolic x, which is the right-hand side. So y is a solution of the differential equation. Find the solution of this initial value problem, given this is the general solution. So I need to find C1 and C2. I have two conditions. Since second order, I have two constant and I have two conditions. Okay, so we'll do it. Y at 0 equals 0. That implies what? I substitute instead of x 0. That will be sine 0, 0 times C1. So I have C2 equals 0. So my y is C1 sine 2x. Okay, also I need to find y prime since I have a condition for y prime. Y prime will be what? Will be 2C2 cosine 2x minus 2C2 sine 2x. Now I have the condition y prime at 0 equal 1. That implies what? Actually, I don't need C2. I don't need, I have only this one, but I did it for all, no problem. Just y prime at 0 equal 1, you get what? Wait a minute, this is C1, sorry. Will be 2C1 cosine 2x plus minus 2C2 sine 2x. Okay, y prime at 0, give me what? 2 cosine 0 is 1. So that will be 2C1 sine 0, 0. That should be equal to 1. So C1 equal half. So it will be my function. C2 0 خلاص. I have half sine 2x. Actually, I can check. Find y prime, find y double prime, plug it here. For sure, it should satisfy the equation. Satisfy also the conditions. Yeah, y at 0, 0. Derivative, give you what? Cosine 2x, cosine 0 is 1. So that's correct. Consider this, verify this is a solution. So I need to find y equals C1 is minus x plus C2 x is minus x. So I need y prime. That will be minus C1 is minus x. Here you have product rule. C2 is minus x minus C2 x is minus x. Okay, y double prime will be what? C1 is minus x minus C2 is minus x. They have product minus C2 is minus x plus C2x is minus x. Okay, so this is times 1, this is times 2, this is times 1. Okay, left-hand side, which is y double prime plus 2y prime plus y. Yeah, let me plug it, see if there's a cancellation. I should get the right-hand side 0. Okay. Minus T2, C2, so that will be 2C2, 2C2. Plus C2x is minus x. minus 2c1 is minus x, multiplying 2 by this one, huh? Plus 2c2 is minus x, minus 2c2 x is minus x, plus the 1. Okay, so this is cancelled. Oh no. We have what? This is 2c2 is minus x. This is cancelled. c2x plus c this with this cancelled with this. Okay, and this is c1 2c1 is minus x cancelled with this. So I'm getting 0, which is the right hand side. So y is a solution. The differential equation. This is what I want. And it's 2-parameter family of solution. Since I have 2 c's. Verified the function is a solution of this differential equation. So it's just a matter of calculation. Y equal ax cosine of ln x plus bx sine of ln x. Note the interval 0 to infinity, because the domain of the function from 0 to infinity, because of the ln. Okay, so y prime will be what? Product rule, a cosine of ln x plus ax minus, that would be sine ln x times 1 over x plus b sine ln x plus b x cosine ln x times 1 over x. So this is, I can simplify it as a cosine ln x. Here I notice an x goes with x, huh? Minus a sine ln x plus b sine ln x. This is cancelled also. Plus b cosine ln x. Is it? Yeah. Okay. Y double prime will be what? I'm missing something somewhere. Am I missing anything? This is a cosine ln x minus a x. This is will be sine ln x, derivative of ln x, which is 1 over x. Yeah, correct. Okay. Y double prime will be what? Minus a sine ln x times 1 over x. And this is minus a, no, this is, yeah, minus a cosine ln x times 1 over x. This is plus b cosine ln x times 1 over x. This is minus b sine ln x times 1 over x. Okay, so this is multiplied by x squared. This is by minus x. This is by 2. Okay, let me do a left-hand side. X squared y double prime minus x y prime plus 2y. X squared here, I'm getting what? Minus a x sine ln x minus a x. Yeah. Sine ln x plus b cosine x. This is x squared over x. X cosine ln x minus b x sine ln x. Okay. Minus. Multiply x by all of this. x a cosine ln x plus x a sine ln x minus b x sine ln x minus xb cosine ln x. Yeah, the last one plus 2. Let me write it here. Plus 2a cosine ln x plus 2b x sine ln x. All of this should be 0. Okay, let me check. I have minus ax sine ln x, but I have it again. I have it here. That's the only place. So this is cancelled. This is, let me write it, ax. Yeah, that will make it better. This one the same. I have minus ax cosine ln x. Well, I have it again here. And this is plus 2a. So this is, we'll cancel this one. Okay. Bx cosine ln x. This with this. Cancellation. This is minus plus this. Also cancellation. That equal to 0, which is the right-hand side. So it means y is a solution of the differential equation. It's, yeah, it's a solution. Verify by substitution. Okay, he told you what to do. Y equal half cosine x. This half. I think it's half. Okay. No, it's not half. It's 1 over x, I think. Yeah, 1 over x. That is 1 over x. Okay. And this is the differential equation. Let me write it here. Plus. So I need to find y prime and y double prime. Yeah, I can rewrite it x is minus 1 cosine x to make calculation easier. Y prime is minus x is minus 2 cosine x minus x to the power minus 1 sine x. I'm doing product rule, huh? Do it again. Y double prime will be 2x minus 3 cosine x plus x minus 2 sine x. Since the derivative of cosine is minus sine, okay. And here I have plus x minus 2 sine x minus x minus 1 cosine x. Yeah, plus minus, okay. Just need to check. This is x, this is 2, this is x. Okay, check left-hand side, which is xy double prime plus 2y prime plus xy equals 0. Yeah, I want to check in is equal to 0. X times all of this, that will be 2x minus 2 cosine x plus x is minus 1 sine x plus x is minus 1 sine x minus cosine x plus 2 minus it will be minus 2 x is minus 2 cosine x minus 2 x is minus 1 sine x plus cosine x. I want to check, and all of this will be cancelled, so it will be equal to 0. Okay, this is cancelled, clear. Okay, 2x is minus 2 cosine x. Where is it? This one. مع السلامة. X is minus 1 sine x, 2. This is cancelled with this, so that's equal to 0, which is the right-hand side. So it means y is a solution of the differential equation. Okay. Yeah, it's a matter of calculation. Now we need to find the constant. He put a constant somewhere. We want me to check that constant. So let me rewrite the equation. Y equal x squared e kx. I want to find k. And this is the equation. This is the equation. Y double prime 4 minus 8 over x plus 2 over x squared y. Okay, I need to find y double prime, product rule. Y prime has here 2x ekx plus k x squared ekx. Y double prime 2 ekx plus 2kx ekx plus 2kx ekx plus k squared x squared ekx. Yeah. Now, he's saying in the left-hand side should be equal to right. So I have what? Yeah. I have this y double prime, which I can write it x squared ekx plus 4kx ekx plus 2 ekx. That should equal to 4 minus 8 over x plus 2 over x squared times this one, x squared ekx. Okay, so if we take ekx common factor, I have k squared x squared plus 4kx plus 2, all of this times e to the power kx. Multiply x squared inside, so I have 4x squared minus 8x plus 2 ekx. This is cancelled. So I have for sure k squared equal to 4 and 4k equal minus 8. So k should be minus 2. K is equal to minus 2. Okay, satisfying both. I need a k satisfying both. Let me make it very clear. I need this to be equal to this. So I have k squared equal 4. Also, I need this to be equal to this. 4k equal minus 8. I need this to be equal to this. And 2 equal to, which is nothing here. So I have from here, k equal plus or minus 2. From here, k equal minus 2. So my answer, k should be equal to minus 2, because this is the only one satisfying all of it. Okay, verify the function is a solution of this differential equation. Matter of calculation. Y equals C1 x to the power 4 plus C2x minus 2. What will be y prime? 4C1x cubed minus 2C2x minus 3. Okay. Correct? Yeah. Y double prime will be 12 C1x to the power 2 plus 6 C2x minus 4. خلاص. So I need to apply this is by x squared, this is by minus x, this is by minus 8. Check in the left-hand side equal to right-hand side. What will be left-hand side? It will be x squared y double prime minus x y prime minus 8y. Multiply, we have 12 c1 x to the power 4 plus c2 x minus 2. Now here I have minus 4 c1 x to the power 4. Okay. Plus 2 c2 x minus 2. Okay. Then minus 8 c1 x to the power 4 minus 8 c2 x minus 2. So this with this with this minus 12 cancelled. This with this with this cancelled. So I have 0, which is the right hand side. So y is the solution of the differential equation. Yeah, I think it's a matter of calculation. Nothing is complicated. Okay, let me do more problems. I think we are almost there. Yeah. So let me do more problems. y equal this, variable constant, what they want. He told you this is a solution. خلاص. So I want to apply the condition to find the values of A and B. No, I need to do two things. I need to check, since the condition will give me one constant. And the calculation or the differential equation will give me the other constant. Okay, so I need to find y prime. First, let me do this. Y at 1 equals 3 over 2, which is easy. Plug it here. What we have? 3 over 2 equals, I put x equal 1. I have 1, then 0 مع السلامة, plus b. So that means b equal half. Okay, I'm done with b. That will be half. Okay. Okay. Now I need to use this differential equation to find A. So find y prime first. This is x minus 2. Let me write y again. I think as powers it will be easier for me. Plus A, x minus 2 ln x plus half. So it will be y prime. I'm looking for A. Should satisfy this equation. Okay, so I have minus 2 x minus 3 minus 2a x minus 3 ln x plus a x minus 2 x minus 1 is y prime. Okay, so I have that implies in عندك y prime minus 1 over x في 1 minus 2y minus 2 over x cubed. That should be equal to 0. Let me rewrite it. That will be minus 2x to the power minus 3. Change it into powers now. Change everything into powers. Minus a x minus 3 ln x. This is what? A x minus 3. Okay. 1 over x minus x minus 1 في 1 minus 2y, which is minus 2x minus 2 minus 2a minus 2a x minus 2 ln x minus 2 في half. Give me minus 1. All of this minus 2x minus 3, that should be equal to 0. Okay, let me simplify it more. I have what? What is with x? Yeah, I need to simplify this first. Okay, so let me rewrite it. I have this with this. It will be minus 4 x minus 3 minus 4 plus a. Huh? So I have a minus 4 x minus 3. I'm using this and this and this. Minus 2a x minus 3 ln x. Here I have 1 with minus 1. Gone. I have plus 2x minus 3. Okay. Plus 2a x minus 3 ln x. This is gone. So that give me what? A minus 2 x minus 3 equals 0. And by the way, yeah, x not equal to 0. Huh? No, it cannot be. The function is not defined as x equal to 0. So for sure, that means A equal to. So this is A and this is B. Okay, verify by substitution that this is a solution. This is easy. Y equal 1 over 2x squared plus c. I want this solution, so I need to find y prime. What will be y prime? Yeah, I can rewrite this. So it will be y prime. This is part A. Y prime will be minus 2x squared plus c to the power minus 2 times 4x. Okay. So I need to check left-hand side, which is y prime minus 4x over 2x squared plus c all square. This is left-hand side. What about right-hand side? It will be minus 4x y squared. And that is what? Minus 4x square of this, which is very clear they are the same. Just so very clear, left-hand side equal right-hand side. So y is a solution of the differential equation. Okay, what else? Now he put a condition. So I need to find the c using the condition. You have only one constant. B, I have minus 2, which is y, equal 1 over c. So c, I have minus 2c equal 1, so c equal minus half. So it will be the solution. Y will be equal 1 over 2x squared. Is it? We have minus 2, 1 over 0 plus c, 1 over c. So minus 2c equal 1, so c equal minus half. So I have this minus half. Okay. I have this minus half. Okay. So if I want to simplify it, that will be what? 2 over 4x squared minus 1. Yeah, we divide by 2, I have 2x squared minus. Okay. Now, part C, what will be the domain of the function? I have to find the domain. I need 4x squared minus 1 equal to 0. So I have x squared equal 1 over 4. So I have x equal plus or minus half. Okay. So I have 3 intervals and I have this is minus half. I need to avoid it. And also the half, I need to avoid it. So the domain, the function is this union with this, union with this. I don't want to find the function as a solution. As a solution, so I need a continuous part. Okay, so what will control my decision? I have this initial condition. Since it's talking about the initial value problem. From the initial condition, I'm getting x equals 0. So where is x equals 0? It's in this interval. So the interval, which will make it continuous, minus half to half. Sure that this is a solution. Easy one. Just differentiate. Y prime will be, let me write y as powers. It will be easier, I think. C is minus x plus c. What will be y prime? Will be c. And forget the power minus 1. So I have minus c is minus x plus c to the power minus 2. Derivative of this minus e is minus x. So that will make it what? C is minus x. E is minus x plus c to the power minus 2. This is left-hand side. Right-hand side is what? Y, 1 minus y. That will be what? C is minus x plus c to the power minus 1 times 1 minus c e to the power x plus c to the power minus 1. Multiply, you have what? What's wrong? Y prime, c, this to the power minus 1. Y prime will be minus c is minus x plus c to the power minus 2 times this. C is minus x is minus x plus c to the power minus 2. Let me continue, see what will happen. I have what here? Do the calculation. C e to the power x plus e to the power minus 1 minus c square e to the power x plus e to the power minus 2. Okay, now I can take c e to the power minus x. Don't forget, this is the minus x minus x plus c to the power minus 2 as a common factor. What is the remaining? Remaining is minus x plus c. Should be minus c. Wait a minute. 1y is this. So I'm missing a c here somehow. This will be minus c is minus x plus c to the minus 2. Derivative of this is minus e is minus x. That will be this. Now I took y, which is c, v1 minus c. Okay. So I have c. Yeah. Wait a minute. I'm taking c as a common factor. So I have c is minus x plus c to the minus 2. What's the remaining? If I took this, I have this, which is okay. Now for this one, I have minus c. Yes. And that gives me c is minus x plus c to the minus 2, which is the left-hand side. So y is the solution? The matter of calculation. Okay. You need to be careful with the calculation. Okay. Yes, find by inspection. If you notice, usually I start from here. I'm looking for a function where if I substitute in this equation, substitute that function in this equation, I'm getting the left-hand side equal to the right-hand side. What will be my suggestion? I will start with y equal ax squared. Why is that? Because if I notice, if I have y prime, it will be 2ax. Multiply it here, so I have something times x squared. But y, I have something times x squared equals something times x squared, so I can find a. That's the idea. So substitute there. I have what? xy prime. So this is times x times 1. Substitute it here in this equation. So I have 2ax squared plus ax squared equal 4x squared. خلاص. That means what? 3ax squared equal 4x squared. That means a equal 4 over 3. So my function or my guess, this is one solution. Maybe there are other solutions, okay? So it will be 4 over 3x squared. You can check. Easily you can check. It will satisfy this equation, for sure. Now here your guess to start with, I will start with what? A e to the power x. Because I know I have something times e to the power x, something times e to the power x, so I can find a. Do the same idea. What will be y prime? A e to the power x. So that gives me what? A e to the power x plus 2a e to the power x equals 6 e to the power x. So I have 3a e to the power x equals 6 e to the power x. معناها I have 3a equals 6. معناها a equal 2. So my function is 2e to the power x, which is you can easily check. Huh? You can check. That's what's good about these problems. Okay, now we'll go to the problems in the book. I'm doing suggested problems and other problems also. Verify, easy one. I have y, this is number 5. Y equals 3 e to the power x minus e to x. What will be y prime? It will be 3 e to the power x minus 2 e to x. Now check left-hand side. Or check right-hand side, since left-hand side is this one. So check right-hand side, which is y minus e to x. That will be what? 3ax minus e to x minus e to x, which is 3ax minus 2e to x. Very clear, left-hand side, which is this one, equal right-hand side. So y is the solution. Okay. Yeah, number 6, he wants me to do both. Each given function. I have two functions given. Yeah. It's a matter of calculation. Let me do it quickly. y1 equal e minus 2x, y1 prime minus 2, y1 double prime 4. So I need what? Y double prime plus 4y prime plus 4y 1 1 1. That will be what? So this is 1 4 4. Let me do it quickly. I have 4 minus 8 plus 4, which is the right hand side. So it's a solution. The other one, yeah, just a matter of calculation. y2x e minus 2x. So y2 prime will be e is minus 2x minus 2x is minus 2x. y2 double prime. Yeah, I don't know why he's making it. Nothing to worry about, just a matter of calculation, huh? Plus 4x is minus 2x. Sorry. Left-hand side, I have y double prime plus 4y prime plus 4y. That gives me 2y for 2, huh? For the second function. Okay, so I have what? I have minus 4 is minus 2x plus 4x is minus 2x. 4 times this minus 8x is minus 2x plus 4 times the original function. Very clear. This with this cancelled and this cancelled, so it's equal to 0, which is the right hand side. Okay. 8. Yeah. y1 equal cosine x. I need y double prime minus cosine 2x. y1 prime. Let me do it quickly here. That will be minus sine x plus 2 sine 2x. y1 double prime. That will be minus cosine. It's good that you remember. Now it's kind of a review of what we did in the as the derivative, these formulas for the derivative. So check left-hand side, y1 double prime plus y. So I need this plus this cancelled. I have 3 cosine 2x, which is the right-hand side. Let me do the second one. y2 sine x minus cosine 2x. y2 prime, that will be cosine x minus, that will be plus 2 sine 2x. Y double prime, that will be minus sine x plus 4 cosine 2x. So y2 double prime plus y2. This is cancelled with this. 3 cosine 2x, which is the right-hand side. Okay, number 10. Just a calculation. I mean, nothing complicated here. y1 equal what? X minus ln x. What will be y1 prime? 1 minus x is minus 1. y1 double prime, that will be x is minus 2. So now check left-hand side. That will be x squared y double prime plus xy prime minus y. Okay, so that will be 1. Notice multiply this x squared, x minus 1. Okay. Plus x minus 1 minus x plus ln x, which is the right-hand side. This is cancelled, right-hand side. So we are done. That will be equal ln x, which is the right-hand side. Okay, now do the second one. y2 x minus 1 minus ln x. y2 prime is what? Minus x minus 2 minus x minus 1. y2 double prime. That will be 2x minus 3 plus x minus 2. It's, as I said, it's good to check the formulas, the calculations. That will be what? X squared y double prime, that will be 2x minus 1 plus 1. X times this, that will be minus x minus 1 minus 1 minus x minus 1 plus ln x. So this is cancelled and this is cancelled. So it's going to be ln x, which is the right-hand side. So this is the correct. Okay, substitute this to get r. I need to find r. I have y equal e to the power rx. I need to check what will be r. So y prime will be r arx. Y double prime will be r squared arx. This is for what? For all problems. Okay, let me do 13. I have 3 y prime equal to y. That implies what? 3r arx equal to arx. So very clear, I have 3r equal to, so r equal to over 3. 14. I need what? 4 times y double prime. So I have 4r squared arx equal arx. So very clear, I have 4r squared equal 1. So r equal plus or minus half. So I have 2 answers. 15. Y double prime, which is r squared minus 5r arx plus 6 arx equals 0. So I have r squared minus 5r plus 6 arx equal to 0. You notice I'm using this not equal to 0. So I need to solve this, which is r minus 2, r minus 3. So I have 2 answers, 2 values, r equal 2 or r equal 3. Okay, 16. 5y double prime minus 6y prime minus y equal to 0. Substitute, I have 5r squared minus 6r minus equal to 0. So I have 5r squared minus 6r minus 1. So I have 5r squared minus 6r minus 1 equal to 0. I need to factor this. I think I can have 5r. This is r minus 1 plus 1 will not give it to me. So I can use the formula. R will be what? Minus b, which is 6 plus or minus square root b squared 36 minus 4ac, which is minus 4ac plus 20 over 10. So that will be 6 plus or minus, what is this? Square root 56 over 10. You can simplify it. Yeah, 56 is what? 56 over 8, it's 7. 7, 1. Okay. So that give me what? 6 plus or minus. I have 4. That will be 2 square root of 14 over 10. So I can simplify this 3 plus or minus square root of 14 over 10. Okay. 6 over 5, sorry. I'm taking 2 common factors, and that will be over 5. Yeah. Verify this, satisfy the equation, and then try to find the C. Try to find the C. Okay. Yeah, I think we did something similar. Let me do it again. No problem. All of them y prime, so inshallah it's not that difficult. Verify the solution. Plus y prime minus c is minus x. So I have y prime plus y, very clearly is equal to 0. So it's a solution. I'm using this. So I have 2 equals c is minus 0. So c equal 2. So my solution 2 is minus x. That was my solution. 20. Verify the solution. I know we did a lot of examples, but for completeness, I will do it again. For 1, check now y prime, left-hand side, which is y prime. And the right-hand side is what? X minus y. So it will be x minus this minus x plus 1, which is the same as this one. So there is a solution. How to find y at 0 equal 10? Substitute. I have 10 equal c. This is 0 minus 1. So c equal 11. So my solution is 11 is minus x plus x minus 25. Y equal. Yeah, I think we did it here, but let me do the verification first. Plus c. So I have y prime is what? Secant square x cubed plus c times 3x squared. Now check right-hand side is what? 3x squared times y squared plus 1. And that will be 3x squared tan square x cubed plus c plus 1. I know 1 plus tan squared, that will be secant squared, which is y prime, which is the left-hand side. So it's a solution. How to find the c? I think we did it here. No need to. Yeah. Lately, we're using the same problems in the book. Yeah, which is this one. The same problem exactly. Y at 0 equal 1. Yeah, is it? Yeah, okay. Now these are statements. I want to change the statements into equations. They give me statements. The slope of the graph. Oh, what's the slope of the graph? That means the derivative is the product of x and y. So 27. The slope of the graph means y prime. That means y prime is the product of x and y. So this is my differential equation. Y prime equal x times y. Okay, the line 28. I have a graph, who cares? And there is the line tangent to this graph, which it should pass through this point of the graph, intersect the y-axis at the point 0 and 4y. So it passes by this point. Okay, so the slope of the tangent, which is y prime, it's also, I have 2 points now, this and this. I can find it using the delta y over delta x as a slope, because I'm finding the slope of the tangent. That gives me 4y minus y over 0 minus x, which is what? 3y over minus x. So my equation will be what? X y prime equal minus 3y. So that will be my equation, my differential equation, which satisfying this. Okay, 29. Every straight line normal to the graph of G passes through the point 0 and 1. So you have a graph function, who cares? 29. I have a curve, okay. I'm not looking for the tangent line. I'm looking for the normal line passing through the point 0 and 1. Okay. What I have, I know if M tangent, call it M, which is y prime. I know, let me call M prime the slope of the normal. So this is the point X and Y, huh? The slope of the normal. I know the relation in M times M prime, that will be equal to 1. And what is M prime? Since it passes through these points, so it will be Y minus 1 over X. So I have Y prime times Y minus 1 over X is equal to 1. Is equal to minus 1. Sorry, should be minus 1. That should be minus 1. It's equal to minus 1. So that means the equation y prime times y minus 1 equal minus x. That will be my equation. Or I can rewrite it as or y prime times 1 minus y equal x. If I want to get rid of this minus sign. Okay. 30. The graph of the line, the same thing. The graph of the line of G is normal to every curve of the form this. The graph is normal to every curve. That means what? It's normal to every curve. Huh? The graph is normal to every curve of this. It means G, huh? If you have a G, huh? You have a tangent line, you have a normal line, which is the graph is normal to every curve of the form this. So I have y equal x squared plus k. This is the function. So I have, if you have the point, this is x and y. Okay. This y is not the same. Okay. The graph of G is normal to every curve of the form this y equal x squared plus x. What will be y prime here? Equal to x. This is the normal. This is the slope of the normal. This is the slope of the normal. So I have 2x times y prime is equal to minus 1. Okay. Let me do it because I have y and y have different y's. Okay, so I have the normal, the slope of the tangent, we call it y prime. The slope of the normal, because it's normal to every curve, huh? Every curve of this. The slope of the normal is 2x. So the slope of the tangent times the slope of the normal equal minus 1. So I have 2x times y prime is equal to minus 1. 31. The line tangent to the graph of this passes through this point. So 31, let me do it here. Yeah, this is easy. I have, this is X and Y, and the tangent line also passes through minus Y and X. Here or there, who cares, huh? The slope of the tangent, which is Y prime, will be what? Will be X minus Y, or let me do it so I have plus sign, Y minus X over X plus Y. So the equation is X plus Y, Y prime equal Y minus X. Okay. Now let me do these problems. Okay. I have a statement, I want to make it differential equation. But now it's the rate of change. When I say the rate of change, means I have the derivative. 32. I have the time rate of change of population is proportional to the square root of P. So P, I have the rate of change of B, which is dP over dt, is proportional, means it's equal. There exists a K, such that K times square root of B is equal to the rate of change of this P. 33. The time rate of change, the velocity. So I have dV by dt equals, there exists a K times V square of V. Okay. 34. The acceleration, which is dV by dt, so the rate of change of V is proportional. So I have, there exists a K times what? 250 minus V. Okay. 35. In a city having a fixed, yeah, I have in that city we have P persons. This is the total of all persons in that city. The time rate of change of the number n. So I have the n by dt. What is n? N is those persons who have heard a certain rumor. That should be the rate of change of n is proportional to the number of those who have not yet heard the rumor. N, one heard rumor. Not heard it, it will be what? P minus n. The total minus the one who heard that rumor. So that will be K P minus n. Okay. 36. In a city with a fixed this, the time rate will change with the number n. Also dn by dt. What is n in this case? Infected with a certain disease. Is proportional. That will be K times the person, the number who has disease, the number who has not. The number of disease is n. The number who doesn't have it is P minus n. So that will be the equation. Okay, last group of problems, which is the inspection. Let me try to do it. 37. Yeah, very clear. When y double prime equals 0, I have many solutions. Y equal 1 or 10 or 20, any constant. Or y equal x. I know the second derivative for any value times x or any combinations of these two. That will be a good solution. 38. What is the function where I have y prime equal y? I know the function. Where what is the function? What is the function where its derivative will give me the same function? E to the power x. That will be a good suggestion. Okay, this one, 39. I will start with what? I will start with ax cubed. And you notice what will be y prime? Will be 3ax squared. Multiply it by here, so I have x cubed, x cubed, x cubed. Times the constant. So I have xy prime minus y. That give me what? 3ax cubed minus ax cubed. That give me x cubed So I have 2ax cubed equal x cubed. So I have 2a equal 1. So a should be half. So it will be my function, half x cubed. This is the function I started with. 40. 40, it's a little bit tricky. But the one I started with will be the constant function. Why? Because I know this is 0. So it's a constant is equal to 1. C squared. So I have 0 plus, so I have c squared equal 1. So c equal plus or minus 1. So I have two solutions, y equal 1 or y equal minus 1. 41, I start with what? A is minus x. What will be y prime? Minus a is minus x. Plug it. So I have y prime plus 4y. That give me what? Minus a is minus x plus 4a is minus x. That should be equal is minus x. So I have 3a. Correct? So a should be 1 over 3. So my function is 1 over 3 is minus x. As I said, it's always easy to check. I have so minus 1 over 3 plus 4 over 3, which is 3 over 3, which is 1. 42, the last one. Y double prime plus y. What is the function where if I find the second derivative and I add it to the original function, I'm getting 0. One good guess, sine x. Because I know this will be cosine. Y double prime will be minus sine. If I add this with this, I'm getting 0. Or the same thing, another example, cosine x. Yeah, I think this is the end of this section. 1.1, I think I cover it. Yeah. Okay, so I will stop the recording. Thank you.